Hiya, kitty crew! Get ready for a wild showdown as farm animals, like cows and chickens, meet jungle beasts like tigers and monkeys in a giant sandbox. But there's a problem. They're all stuck and need your help. Can they work together to escape? It's a fun-filled adventure packed with teamwork, laughter, and exciting animal discoveries. Get ready for a wild and wacky adventure where farm animals and jungle beasts come face-to-face in a magical sandbox. Let's jump into the fun. The endearing legacy of goats. Goats are hardy animals that can adapt to a variety of climates and terrains. They are often found in diverse environments, from mountains to deserts. The gestation period for a goat is approximately 150 days. Female goats are called does. Unmasking the mystique of donkeys. Donkeys are known for their hardiness and ability to adapt to different environments. Donkeys have been traditionally used for various tasks, including carrying loads, plowing fields, and providing transportation. On average, donkeys can live for 25–30 years. Diving into the world of hyenas. Hyenas are found in various habitats, including savannas, grasslands, woodlands, and semi-deserts across Africa and parts of Asia. Hyenas are often portrayed as scavengers, but they are also skilled hunters. They have powerful jaws and teeth that allow them to crush bones. Harmony of life with moose. While moose are large and powerful, they do have natural predators, including wolves and bears. However, adult moose are formidable and can defend themselves effectively. Moose have a unique flap of skin, called a bell, that hangs beneath their throat. Moose are the largest members of the deer family. Adult males, bulls, can weigh 1,500 pounds. The regal and resilient horse. Horses are social animals that form strong bonds with others, both within and outside their herd. They often display social hierarchy or pecking order. Horses have panoramic vision, meaning they can see almost 360 degrees around them. Depending on the breed, horses can weigh from 900 to over 2,200 pounds. Journeying forward to the bears. Despite their large size, bears can be surprisingly fast and agile. They are capable climbers and swimmers, and some species are known for their ability to run at relatively high speeds. Several bear species are listed as vulnerable or endangered. Bears are found in North and South America, Europe, and Asia. A closer look at speed demon, cheetah. Cheetahs are primarily found in sub-Saharan Africa, although a small population also exists in Iran. They inhabit a range of environments, including grasslands, savannas, and open woodlands. Cheetahs are primarily hunt during the day. Animal Adventure, Buffalo Edition. Buffaloes are large, herbivorous mammals belonging to the Bovidae family. There are two main types of buffalo, the water buffalo and the African buffalo. Native to various parts of Africa, living in a range of habitats from grasslands to forests. The secret lives of leopards. Leopards are known for their distinctive golden yellow fur covered in black spots and rosettes. They have a wide distribution and can be found in various habitats, including grasslands, savannas, forests, and mountains, across Africa and parts of Asia. Leopards can run up to 36 miles per hour, the melody of geese calls. Geese are known for being protective parents, and they will fiercely defend their goslings from potential threats, including predators and humans. In the wild, geese can live up to 20 years or more, depending on the species. Geese primarily feed on grasses, grains, seeds, and aquatic plants. They may also eat small insects or snails occasionally. The life and times of camels. Camels can drink large amounts of water in one go when it's available, storing it in their bloodstream. They are capable of surviving for long periods without water, as they can lose up to 25% of their body weight through sweating without experiencing dehydration. Unlocking the beauty of the cat. Cats are crepuscular, meaning they are most active during dawn and dusk. This behavior is a result of their evolution as hunters, as these times provide optimal conditions for hunting prey. This behavior also helps regulate body temperature. Cats are obligate carnivores, meaning they require animal-based proteins in their diet. A portrait of wolves in nature. Some wolf species, such as the red wolf and the Mexican gray wolf, are considered endangered. Wolves have played significant roles in various cultures and mythologies. They are often symbolic of freedom, loyalty, and strength. Wolves live 6-8 years in the wild, though some can survive longer in protected environments. Comprehensive. Look at horse. Horses have panoramic vision, meaning they can see almost 360 degrees around them. However, they have a blind spot directly in front and behind them. Horses belong to the species Equus ferus cabalis. There are numerous horse breeds, each with unique characteristics such as the Arabian, Thoroughbred, Clydesdale, and many more. The lifespan of a horse is 25 to 30 years. Vibrant life of ringtailed lemur. Ringtailed lemurs are unique for their sunbathing habits, complex communication, and maternal care. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these endangered primates and their diverse habitats in Madagascar. Ring-tailed lemurs are medium-sized primates. Adults weigh between 5 and 7 pounds. Journey into the rhinoceros realm. Rhinos are among the largest land animals. The white rhinoceros is the largest species, with males weighing up to 2,300 kilograms. Rhinos can be found in a variety of habitats, including savannas, grasslands, forests, and swamps, depending on the species. Most rhinos are solitary, though white rhinos are more social and often form groups called crashes. Discovering hippos in their habitat. despite their massive size, hippos are herbivores. They primarily feed on grass and have been known to travel several miles at night to graze. They have large tusks and powerful jaws, making them efficient at tearing through vegetation. Adult hippos can weigh between 3,000 to 4,500 pounds. Exploring the habitat of gorilla. In the wild, gorillas have a lifespan of around 35 to 40 years. In captivity, they can live longer, with some individuals reaching their 50s or even 60s. Gorillas share approximately 98% of their DNA with humans. A closer look at the tiger kingdom. Tigers are primarily nocturnal, which means they are more active during the night. Their excellent night vision and keen sense of smell aid them in hunting in low-light conditions. Unlike many other big cats, tigers are good swimmers and are known to enjoy being in the water. They can swim long distances and may even hunt in the water. Striped elegans, the zebra. Symphony. There are three main species of zebras: the plains zebra, mountain zebra, and Grevy's zebra. Each zebra has a unique pattern of black and white stripes which act like fingerprints. Zebras stand about 4.5-5 feet, 1.4-1.5 meters, tall at the shoulder, and weigh 400-900 pounds. Unleashing the furry friend dog. Dogs are known for their loyalty and affection. The hormone oxytocin, often referred to as the love hormone, increases in both humans and dogs when they interact positively. Some dog breeds are known for their intelligence, such as the Border Collie, Poodle, and German Shepherd. These breeds are often used in roles requiring problem-solving skills. Unraveling the hidden mysteries of rams. Rams are known for their large, curved horns, which are used for defense and dominance displays. The size and curl of the horns can vary by species and age. They are typically more muscular than female sheep, ewes, and have a thicker neck, which aids them during physical clashes. Domestic rams live for about 10-12 years, while wild rams may have shorter lifespans due to predators and environmental conditions. Now, time to discover the last beast, King Lion. Lions are scientifically known as Panthera leo. Lions have a powerful roar that can be heard up to 5 miles, 8 kilometers away. Male lions can grow up to 10 feet, 3 meters in length, including the tail, and weigh between 300 and 3,550 pounds, 150 to 250 kilograms. Females are smaller, typically weighing 260-400 pounds, 120-180 kilograms. Lions are the most social of the big cats, living in groups called prides. A pride typically consists of 10-15 members, including females, their cubs, and a few males. So, glad you tuned in to watch Clash of Creatures, Farm Animals vs. Jungle Beasts, Stuck in the Sandbox episode. Subscribe now, and in this Clash of Creatures, anything can happen. Will it be chaos or the start of an unlikely friendship? Grab your animal toys and jump into the sandbox to find out. More splashy fun just ahead. Until next time, brave friends.